Hi friends, it's Barry. Let's find the value of k together. So we have the square root of 2 plus the square root of 8 plus the square root of 18 equals the square root of k. So let's write that down. Square root of 2 plus the square root of 8 plus the square root of 18 equals the square root of k. So for square root 2, there's not much we can do, so we write that. And then for the square root of k, we can write it as 4 times 2. And then for the square root of 18, we can write it as 9 times 2 equals square root of k. So I want you to pay attention to the terms 4 and 9, but also to all the 2's. Okay, so as you can see, we have some square roots of 2, but also some 4 and some 9. And interestingly, both 4 and 9, they are square numbers, okay? Meaning that they can be broken down into a smaller integer. So we know 4 is 2 times 2, and 9 is 3 times 3, okay? So we can rewrite our equation as square root of 2 plus the square root of 4 times the square root of 2 plus the square root of 9 times the square root of 2 equals square root of k. And then we can just simplify them, right? We know the square root of 4 is 2, and the square root of 9 is the number 3. So square root of 2 plus 2 square root of 2 plus 3 square root of 2 equals square root of k. So we have 1 square root of 2, 2 square roots of 2, and 3 square roots of 2. So if we add 1 and 2 and 3 together, that is the number 6. So 6 square roots of 2 equals the square root of k. Now the question wants us to find the square root of k. So we need to convert this expression into just the square root of something. And that something is our k. So 6 is, we can rewrite 6 as the square root of 36, like this. So that gives us square root of k. And so we multiply 36 and 2 together. So we have square root of 72 equals the square root of k. So k is 72. And that's our answer. If you enjoyed this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.